Hello guys, in this video I'll be telling you guys about how to use YouTube Audio Library. But before you proceed with using the music from YouTube Audio Library, you need to know that there are two types of audios available on YouTube Audio Library. Creative Commons, well, you need to be a bit careful about using Creative Commons. Why? I will be telling you further in the video. The second one is from the YouTube directly. You can use it without putting any attributions. Well, enough with the fun part. Let's go to the laptop screen and proceed with the video.
So let's go to the YouTube. In YouTube, you have to ensure that you have logged in with your Google email ID or whatever it is. So when you are logged in, you will go to the left side. Here we have a bar. We have to drag it down. And here we have an option of YouTube Studio. We have to click on it. A new window will pop up. Here we have another bar. We have to drag it down. And here we have Audio Library. You have to click on it. Now we are here in the YouTube Audio Library. There are so many musics and sounds and everything available here. You can drag down and you can see the moods. Some are romantic, happy, angry, whatever video are you trying to make, you can use them. But as I mentioned earlier, there are two types of audios available here on the YouTube Audio Library. The one has license type with YouTube logo on it. This one you can use it freely. You can just click here on download and it will be downloaded. Let me do it for you. Yeah, here the download has begun. So that's how you download the normal ones. But how to identify if it is a normal one, or you have to put the attributes like if it is like Creative Commons or a normal one. So here you have to click on the search filter. We have two options, attribution required and attribution not required. These two options. When we click on attribution not required, we will get all of the videos where we have to put nothing in our description. We just use it straightforward. While other one, let me click over here. Yeah, what the one with attribution required. Well, here you can see it's CC. CC means Creative Commons, and it's an intellectual property of someone, and they want us to use their description or their titles in our description. So when you click on download of Creative Commons, you will get a pop-up window where we have this description, and we have to copy it and paste it in the video description of that specific one where we have used this music. So that's how we use the Creative Commons audio on the YouTube channel. So it's very simple. You just need to download it. You put the attributes if you want to use it from the Creative Commons, and in other where attribution is not required, you can just use it straightforward. The options are so many. You can make videos and be creative and enjoy on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.